What's up everyone, so today's video would be going to be on the different ways with which you can use a resistance band to perform the exercises and optimize the usage of this resistance band so that you can maximize your gains when you are training with the resistance band. So here I will be giving you all the different ways with which you can perform the different variations of the exercises with the resistance band so that you can get a clear idea about using these variations into other exercises as well. And if you think that the resistance band won't help you to maximize your muscular gains, then you can check out this video where I differentiated between the weight training and the resistance band training. So you can get a clear picture whether really the resistance bands are effective or not. Now to perform all the variations of the exercises which we are going to discuss in this video, you can use a resistance band ranging from the light to heavy resistance. So here you will be requiring a door anchor which will help you to anchor the resistance band around the door or any other firm surface and then perform the exercises. The advantage here is that you can change the height of this anchor and change the angle of resistance so that you can provide some effective tension into your muscles. Unlike the dumbbells where you cannot perform the adduction and abduction exercises because the force is always directed in the downward direction. So you are not limited by the gravity here, instead you can explore different directions and you can use the resistance of the band to provide more tension into your muscle. These are the unanchored exercises where you won't require any door anchors because here you will be just using the resistance band to perform the different exercises by stepping over the resistance band in a standing position, kneeling position or in a quadruped position. So here you can explore a lot of variations depending upon how you can utilize the resistance of the band. With this variation you have to loop around the resistance band around your legs or your arms so that it will be effective for you to perform the exercises which involves the abduction or the adduction of the arm, which means that the exercises where your arms are moving away from the body or it is coming closer to your body, or similarly if your legs are moving away from the body or if it's coming closer to the body. So this is the only variation which you can't perform with the dumbbells, but you have the advantage of this while using the resistance band. These bands can also be used as assistance for mobility and flexibility drills. With respect to the mobility drills, it will help you to distract your joint and ease into the drill which you are performing. And with respect to the flexibility drills, it will help you to push further and stretch your muscles further by passively assisting you with the movement. To maximize your gains and increase the activation of the muscle fibers, you can combine the weights with the resistance band so that you can get the entire strength curve of both the resistance band and the dumbbells while performing the particular exercise. So to know the advantage of this variation, you can take an example of bicep curls. So when you're starting with the lift, the dumbbells will feel heaviest whereas the resistance band will feel lightest. And when you are ending the lift, when you are at the top of the bicep curls, the dumbbells will feel lightest whereas the resistance band will feel the heaviest. So when you are combining both, you can get the advantage of both these strength curves. If you consider the name, it says resistance band, but these bands are equally effective for providing assistance while learning new skills or if you are learning any difficult exercises such as pull-ups, L-sit, push-ups, or even if you are going into the advanced skills such as one-arm push-up or V-sits. So with this variation, you can increase the length of the resistance band or you can increase the resistance of a particular resistance band by combining two or more resistance band of same resistance or different resistance. So this is very beneficial if you are looking to change the length of the resistance band or if you want a heavier resistance band from the resistance band which you already have. So here you can change the resistance of a particular resistance band by changing the points where you are holding it. So if you are holding at a closer ends, then it will feel heavier, and if you are holding at a farther ends, then it will feel lighter. So this is the advantage of the resistance band, where you can change the resistance of a single resistance band while performing different exercises, or if you want to increase the resistance for the next sets. Even with the cardio exercises and the sports specific training, these resistance bands are extremely useful as they provide resistance while running, jumping or any other proprioceptively challenging exercises which we do on a sports specific training. I hope I gave you a lot of variations which you can try with the resistance band so as to use them optimally to increase your performance and also increase your muscular gains. And the advantage with the resistance band is that you can take it anywhere and still you can get an effective workout. So you will not have an excuse of not having the gym or weights to perform a challenging workout. And if you found this video valuable, then like this video, share with everyone and subscribe to my channel to stay tuned with more such informative videos. And if you wish to train with us, then check out TheSuppleStrength.com where we provide evidence-based nutrition as well as workout coaching to enhance human performance. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, stay supple, stay strong.